Hometown Motors of Chillicothe not only sells a wide selection of Royal Enfield motorcycles, but Briggs & Stratton products, lawn tractors and zero-turn lawnmowers. And our highly trained technicians are certified to service while we sell.
Yes, we are certified for Royal Enfield and Intimidator side-by-sides, TM Racing, Simplicity, Snapper and Snapper Pro, as well as Briggs & Stratton equipment. So we got a little bit of everything here.
Hometown Motors of Chillicothe is also the go-to for do-it-yourselfer repairs.
We'll help them with information on that, and even in tech tips if I can. I can show so much. Obviously, I can't show everything just because you can't just talk somebody through a whole job on the phone or whatnot. But yeah, any sort of help I can provide, I will.
Truly a one-stop shop. Hometown Motors. We service while we sell. So stop by 818 Eastern Avenue, Chillicothe for sales, parts, and service.